Welcome to MT-Viki. As one of the top developers and suppliers in the professional audio and video transmission industry, MT-Viki has been devoted to innovative KVM switches by the leading technology and launched various series in past decades, like VGA, HDMI, and DP, from 2-port to 16, desktop to LCD rack, single screen to dual monitor, and wired to IP access. Integrated VGA with USB and USB with HDMI. MT-Viki's 2-in-1 KVM cables are very popular in the world for free of cable mess, while the 8-port and 16-port LCD screens consoles for rack are easy install and cost-friendly. Please note that MT-Viki provides 2 years warranty for replacement, refund, and support for any defectiveness.